Okay, so here's an interesting video where this this channel are going to be testing plug-in solar. I've never heard of plug-in solar, but it would make sense. I've seen this car where you can have like this solar panel on the roof and you can plug that into the car. So let's see this video. Let's see how it goes.
Today we're testing plug-in solar. The easiest way to get started, or possibly the easiest way to burn your house down. So this is a micro inverter that I bought, and bar the solar panels, this is kind of the unsung hero of this whole operation, and we'll talk more about this in a little while.
What is a micro inverter?
A microinverter is a small device that you attach directly to a single solar panel. Its job is to convert the direct current generated by that panel into alternating current that you can use in your home. Since each panel has its own microinverter, you get more flexibility and efficiency, especially if some panels are shaded or oriented differently.
So far in my solar setup, I've been using a couple of panels on the roof to keep these batteries here topped up. I started small on my shed and grew to now 2 batteries that have migrated into my house. And so far with this, I've been taking loads off the grid, like my network rack and AV rack behind me by
That's not a bad shout, you know. That's not a bad shout. That makes it way more accessible. I wonder how much it is for these plug-in solar panels.
Simply doing this. But the problem is the manual process of switching over these loads and of course the upfront cost of these batteries. Yeah, they ain't cheap. So back to this device. It's fairly simple and with that fairly inexpensive at only £99, but what does it actually do? So what happens with this is you've got your MC4 connectors on the bottom. You connect in a couple of solar panels. This microinverter then takes the DC power and converts it to AC, puts it out of this little cable here, which then connects to this cable, and then this simply connects into your house. That's it. So solar panels, this device plugged into a standard outlet will save your energy bills. Seems too good to be true to me.
Seems way too good to be true. Way too good to be true. Why isn't everyone doing this?
So before I explain to you guys that this can be slightly illegal, I want to see if it works first. Now, to be clear, what I'm going to show you in this video, totally legal, and we'll get into the legalities a little bit later. But the reason it doesn't come with a UK plug on this is because these were big in the EU market, and now they're basically everywhere. This stuff started out as a system called balcony solar, or DIY solar, where people are putting solar panels on their balconies and powering their house. Now, to me, this seems pretty dangerous.
To me, that seems pretty smart. You know, if I could just have a solar panel that's just hanging out of, you know, this part of my window here, and maybe, you know, the loft conversion, you know, just hanging out of the, what's it called, Ventilux, then that might be a good shout, actually.
Because I've got some voltage coming down from my solar panels into this device right here, which is then connected to this. So if I touch this, is that not gonna electrocute me? And no, that's part of the safety feature inside of this device. But as soon as we plug this device into an electrical outlet, now that that's plugged into the wall, it should be live, but we're passing power not to this device, but from this device into our house's grid from our solar panels. That's it.
That's very interesting, isn't it? Because, you know, traditionally, you know, when you plug in something into the outlet, it's actually passing power out from the grid. But with this, you know, it's going from the solar panel back into. That's quite interesting. It sounds dangerous though, no? It sounds dangerous to me.
I'm now saving money on my electric bills, but we don't know what's happening here, so let's download the app. Okay, so this has been set up for about 5 minutes, and I am already generating just under 50 watts of power back into my home's electrical grid. Now it's really overcast outside and 50 watts is next to nothing. I'll be really interested to see what this is doing tomorrow lunch or when we have a sunny day. So we need to wait for that because this is working and I can't quite believe it.
It's not a bad shout, you know.
So we came to film earlier and the weather was fucking terrible, but it's cleared up a little bit now and I'm excited because I've just installed these.
Affordable options for solar paneling, you know, those solar panel plugs, they call them. Yeah, I think it's really good. Not something I'd get. I'd get the proper thing. I'd feel more comfortable with it.